Listen carefully. This is the last time I'm going to address this situation. After today, I'm moving forward because my time is too valuable to keep going back and forth with the same person. Real strength isn't found in arguing every day. Real strength is knowing when you've said your piece and it's time to walk away. If you have something to say about me, then say it with facts. Bring proof, bring evidence. Don't build stories, rumors, or speculation. Let the truth speak for itself. I'm not here to fight anyone, I'm here to grow, to build my future, and to focus on the people who genuinely support me. That's where my energy belongs. Life is too short to spend it chasing negativity or responding to every word that's thrown my way. So this is my final response. After this, I'm choosing peace over noise, purpose over drama, and progress over pointless arguments. The people watching can decide for themselves. They don't need confusion. They deserve honesty. If you speak, speak with facts. If you disagree, do it with respect. If you want the truth, let the evidence tell the story. From this moment on, I'm closing this chapter and looking ahead.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, any which part you're there in the world, my viewers and my fabulous, my splendacious, my amazing-acious, my beauty-nacious subscribers. What a go on, honor do. Hi. Guys, by the way, hold on a little bit. Uno do no wellness check yet? If you no do no wellness check it, me I beg you please check upon your friends and family, check upon people, make sure them alright. Mental health crisis is not a joke. Domestic violence is getting really dangerous. People losing 3 pints, people shooting pow people, and people is in hospital, cannot move anymore. Guys, stop it. Guys, walk away from trouble if you can. Promise me, guys, not to do what they have done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Your freedom is important and your 3 pints is important. If you do this stupidness, you are going to lose your 3 pints, or you may lose your freedom. Anyway, guys, just cut it out. Walk away from it, man. Just walk away. Guys, you see that video, yeah? I want to watch that video, because that video, the last video, I go make about this individual. I beg you to watch that video, like it, share it. And guys, I need you to comment, man, comment, talk. And guys, watch the ads them, because guys, me make a video 2 months now, and the only money the video give me is $4.25, because nobody watch the ads or nobody even watch the video. Come on, no man, help out no boy, no man. You know say we not rich out here, you know say we are look money. That's why we have the YouTube channel. Chama, help no boy out, no man. Anyway, guys, watch the video, like the video, and share up the video, because this video is reality video. This video is the truth, nothing but the truth. The only thing is I have to use alleged in this video, because the individual that was allegedly grip, took money. Yes, took money to not say anything. So I have to use alleged because of where I get the information from. They told me that you have to use alleged, because watch the video. And guys, there's more to the video. Just watch the video. No watch no face. Just watch the video. No say a word. Peace. I'm out.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
My viewers and subscribers, what's going on in? Good morning. It's Friday morning. Guys, a Friday morning. TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Yo, my people. You know, say, me just feel excited. Me just feel flabberlocious. Me just feel splendacious. Me just feel amazingacious. Me just feel good. Me just feel nice, you know, because guess what? Me live to see another day. And me live to see another day. And me live to see that me can come out here and do a video and talk to you guys. And you guys live to see that I can make a video to talk to you. So guys, big up on your stomach. Big up on your chest. Uno alright? Alright. Uno do wellness check it, by the way. And if I want a birthday today, happy birthday to you. Hey guys, happy birthday to you if today your birthday. And guys, remember, me have some of my beautiful, fabulous, splendacious, amazingacious viewers and subscribers were having birthday in this July month, where them birthday start from the 1st of July. Yes, and them birthday start from the 1st of July. Me go talk about them every day until July done. Every day. So all of me viewers and subscribers where I have birthday this month, July month, happy birthday to you. And to me specialties, peoples, me fabulous, splendacious, fabulous, amazingacious subscribers where on a birthday of July, big up on your chest, big up on your stomach. Alright. Guys, you know me stay already by now. You know me by now, yeah? And sometimes I want to make the video them, sometimes I don't want to make them. Sometimes I make them and throw them, delete them, dash them. But this video yeah, I'm going to make. And I'm going to make it because I see some people in my comment section. I tell me how me whole. I know me a big man. I know me if you go sit down in a rocking chair. All kind of sitting them I tell me. But me I tell you this. Say, see? Me feel so young. Me smell like cedar. Me say, me feel so young like a young boy. Me say me smell like cedar board. Yes. And that how me feel. Me feel so young, me smell like cedar. I don't know, say the young boy them are run up and down. They don't use roller and things like cedar board. Yeah, young green. Yeah, I saw me feel in my body. 54-year-old, I remember me telling me feel and smell like cedar board. Yes, me feel young. Young, fresh and green. Me say, yeah man, so me see you out there now. And I tell me how me howl and this and that. But my thing is, at my age 54, I mean I make nothing stop me or nothing put me down or nothing hold me back. You should be happy, you should be feeling happy for me. But no, I see some of you where, and this is the only and final and last video me I make like this. Me never really make these kind of video, but I go make it. I see some of you come and talk about me. I talk about a Vybz Studio. Now let me say this, and this is the reason why I'm making this video. Let me say this to you all about Vybz Studio. Vybz Studio is not who you all think he is. If you all go back into Vybz Studio catalog of videos, you see a lot of videos that he's disrespecting woman, going up underneath woman, disrespecting people's kids. Yeah, I don't do those things. I don't go up underneath no woman. I don't have no time for disrespect kids. Vybz Studio. Let me tell you what Vybz Studio do if you don't know. Vybz Studio, did you all know that the guy that you don't believe, oh, he's so supportive of Color Smith. Oh, you are, because guess what? Because he's talking good about colors. A lot of you run go over there and subscribe to him, and because you don't think he's so of a solely very good guy. He's not. Let me tell you what Vybz Studio did. I make a video and I ask Vybz Studio, if you have data, wish I know you have a daughter. So I said, you have a daughter? And he did not, I don't even think he understand what I mean when I asked him if he have a daughter. Because he was beating Alicia Kim for 9 months when she's pregnant. So I asked him, do you have a daughter? Would you like somebody to do your daughter like that? Hold on. This guy gets so in his head because he says I'm saying something about his daughter when all I did was ask him, do you have a daughter? So you know what he did? He went and make a live. He was drunk and he called his daughter and he tell his daughter to tell the boy Rodney if he go suck back juice in mother. And a father make his daughter come on his life and tell me that I should go and suck back juice my mother. You know, I don't say it the way everybody say it. But that's where him tell me. Him tell his daughter to tell me to go and suck back juice my mother. And this is the guy that all of you is telling me that I should not make video about him. And all of you, because some of you, not all, some of you coming on like Vybz save the day. Huh? Some of you coming on and saying, oh Rodney, he did donate to Color Smith. I don't care if he give Color Smith $1 million. I don't care about that. The same person who give Colors donation is the same person who make a video saying I am a pedophile. This is the same person who make a video saying that I touch little boys in my community. Is the same person who talk about my kids. Is the same person who tell his daughter to tell me to go suck back juice my mother. So I don't want none of you come here. When I make my videos, I do not want none of you to come here and tell me what I should do and how I should operate and what video I should make and because I'm old and all that. No. Don't do that. 2 wrongs don't make 1 right. If you're wrong, you're wrong. And that's how I am. If I am wrong, I go take accountability for what I did. And I go say, okay, that was wrong. Go into my videos and tell me where you see me talk about anybody kids. No, I don't do that. I do not do that because that's kids. No kids that I have can come on YouTube and say anything bad about nobody. As a matter of fact, my kids, if I tell my kids to tell somebody to go suck back juice their mother, they would ask me, what is that? And then I have to explain. And then when I explain, they would say, no, daddy, I can't do that. That's rude. But a grown man, a big man, tell his daughter to tell me to suck back juice my mother. And remember this. I want all of you who is telling me about Vybz this and Vybz that to ask Vybz Studio why. Ask him why. And ask him when was the last time he went to Jamaica. When you ask him that question, hopefully he answer you. If he don't answer you, you ask him why you have not gone back to Jamaica since the day you come into the in Europe. Norway, yeah. And I go help him out a little bit, not a lot. And the reason why I'm going help him out a little bit and not a lot is because there is nothing fully concrete. But what I can tell you is Clive Lawrence aka Vybz Studio, name called and gripping a young lady in Montego Bay. Listen to what me I said to you. Because you know me no beat around bush when me attack. And the only reason why, and it's alleged. You know me not use that word. You know me not use that word. Because guess why me use the word alleged? The woman did not come forward and pinpoint and say it was him. Listen to what I'm saying to all of you. The lady did not come out and point on him and say, yes, it was him. And that's the only reason why he's acting like that. Because the woman never pressed no charges, the woman, but his name was called. Literally called. However, I have to use the word alleged, and the only reason why I'm using that word alleged is because there is nothing on paper that the lady says. However, what could you be doing that your name was called in it? And somebody, and let me go even further. One of the reasons why the lady did not say anything was because she allegedly she collected money. Guys, let me all say this to all of you. I can say things out my mouth because guess what? I don't have nothing to hide. When I say nothing, I have nothing to hide. And Vybz Studio come out and say, I am a pedophile. I touch little boy in my community. And I laugh. I laugh because why are you telling lies and why are you doing stupid things? It make no sense. It just make no sense. And this is the kind of person that you are making videos telling me about, not making videos, come in my comment section telling me that, oh, I should leave guy alone and I should this and I should that. Where were you when this guy was telling me that I am a pedophile? Where were all of you when this guy was calling me a pedophile, talking about me? Let me tell you something. Guys, you know, and the only reason why you don't see me come out and beat him with this, you know, is because I don't have the 100% information, because it was thrown under the rug. And one of the reasons why it was thrown under the rug is because the name that he have, Clive Lawrence, there is another individual, a prominent individual, a big police, ex-police, that carry the same name, the same exact name in Montego Bay. You don't know Karachi, Georgia. That's same name Karachi, Georgia have. And that's what helped him to really and truly get away. Yes, so allegedly his name was called and gripping because him run taxi, you know. Him either run taxi. So, to be honest with you, let me say this to you colours. These are the kind of people that page you don't want to go on. These are the kind of people page you want to stay far from. People whose name was called and gripping. It's an allegation that he was involved. However, this woman did not come out and say yes. So it's an allegation. But your name was called. Making up story about me is non-sign. I don't even want to use that word. Making up story about me and what you go say I do is just this valid, invalid, no valid. It's just every bad, everything. You're just trying to look clout like how you all do. But guys, I make this video and I won't make another video like this because I want to leave off these things. But what I'm saying to you is, your opinion is your opinion. Don't come on my page telling me about I'm making videos bashing this man and this thing and he's this and he's no angel. He is no angel. Remember that. He's no angel. Remember me, I tell you. He's no angel. And the reason why me not dig deeper into this thing and go deeper and give you more information about this thing, because it's an allegation, alleged. And that's the only reason why me not give you a lot more information about many things. Because money was spent. But there is no concrete evidence. And that's how I am. Me not gonna tell him, say, yes, him do it. Yes, him do it. No, me not gonna do that. I'm not that kind of person. I'm not that kind of person. Me go tell him straight. Allegation. Alleged. You don't know me not use that word. There is no concrete evidence, but his name was called. And because of his name, Clive Lawrence, and Karachi, Georgia, the big police where used to that Montego Bay, he have the same name. So just think about that. It could be something gossip. It could be nothing gossip. But your name was called. Your name was called. And people, stop. Some of these men won't listen to and defend. Stop, because you don't know nothing about them. You need to learn things about them. The only, let me help you out before you go run off with that kind of stupidness. The only problem me will ever be in is because I have the business and you don't know how America go. You get card, you get money, you get this, some of it you pay back, some of it you don't pay back, because as this is how the business line work. You collect the money, you do this, you do that. That's it. It's a funny business. Business in America, borrowing, taking money, this, that is a different kind of element. Different kind of element. I've been saying that over and over. You will never hear my name called on these things, but your name call on these things. So people, stop the foolishness. Stop the foolishness. Stop come on my page. We don't know. If you don't love him, love him. But what I say to you is, don't come over here and not try to dictate and tell me how good him is. Just because you see me make some videos about classmate. You stop do that. Please, me I beg you, stop do that. And me I be honest. Me just be honest. Because people like those shouldn't even I say A or B about a good youth like Colors. But there's no way to stop them. Because him in dirty mouth. In dirty mouth and in dirty attitude and in disrespectful to kids and women. And remember me tell you, most of people who follow him and watch him are women. And that's the problem. That's a big part of the problem. You don't know? When you see the sun get hot again, you know get dark. So yeah guys, so I think some of them things you all have to just cut out the stupidness. Not because you see make a few videos uno come and tell me, not tell me, don't do it. Me I beg uno not do it, because it no, it no is not who uno think him is. Yes, it's not who uno think him is. So, so poor I tell you guys this. I know all these things long time and could put them out there, and I don't. Even when he call me child predator, child molester, all kind of name he call me. I mean, I put them out there. So people must stop do this thing. Don't look upon him as you know, think him the prize boy. Yeah, don't look upon him as the prize boy. Cause one thing, me not play around with no boy where them name call upon gripping. All when I know you and your name call upon it, me not play around. With that said, I'm out. Bye bye.